Have you ever been curious why some people seem to defy aging, maintaining youthful skin and vibrant energy? The secret lies not just in external skincare but in internal health. To look younger on the outside, you must be younger on the inside. One of the biggest factors that accelerate aging is the accumulation of damaged proteins in the body. This process, known as glycation, occurs when sugars bind with proteins or fats, creating harmful compounds called advanced glycation end products, AGEs. These AGEs contribute to wrinkles, sagging skin, and overall premature aging. Many popular foods are loaded with AGEs. For instance, ice cream is a combination of sugar and milk proteins subjected to high heat. Barbecued ribs coated with sugary sauces and deep-fried foods like French fries and potato chips are prime sources of AGEs. Even sugary sodas contribute by triggering glycation within the body, accelerating skin aging and inflammation. How to reverse the aging process? The good news is that the body has a built-in mechanism to break down and recycle damaged proteins, autophagy. This natural process clears out old, damaged cells, making way for fresh, youthful ones. The most effective way to trigger autophagy is through fasting. If you're new to fasting, intermittent fasting is a great place to start. Those more experienced can advance to OMAD, 1 meal a day, or even dry fasting, which intensifies the benefits by eliminating water intake for a set period. Dry fasting forces the body to generate water from fat cells while enhancing detoxification and cellular repair. Fasting not only helps with cellular renewal but also balances hormones that play a key role in aging. Growth hormone levels increase significantly during fasting, promoting muscle preservation, skin elasticity, and overall rejuvenation. Additionally, fasting reduces insulin resistance, lowering inflammation and reducing the risk of age-related diseases like diabetes and heart conditions. The power of sunlight and a clean environment. Exposure to sunlight in moderation can also enhance youthfulness. The infrared spectrum of sunlight stimulates melatonin production, not just for sleep, but as a powerful antioxidant that combats aging. Ensuring regular sun exposure without overexposure is key to maintaining a radiant complexion. Equally important is minimizing exposure to environmental toxins. Pollution, chemicals, and processed foods overburden the liver, leading to visible signs of aging. Supporting liver function is crucial for detoxification and maintaining youthful skin. Simple lifestyle changes can reduce toxin exposure. Opt for organic foods when possible, filter your drinking water, and choose natural skincare products free from harmful chemicals. Avoid plastics that contain BPA, which can disrupt hormones and accelerate aging. Nutritional strategies for youthful skin. A well-functioning liver requires essential nutrients to effectively detoxify the body. Cruciferous vegetables like kale, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts contain powerful compounds that enhance liver detoxification, helping to clear out toxins and support skin health. Additionally, bile production is vital for absorbing fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, E, and K, which are crucial for glowing skin. A deficiency in bile can lead to poor absorption of these nutrients, making the skin appear dull and aged. Consuming healthy fats from sources like fatty fish, egg yolks, and butter can help maintain bile production and keep the skin nourished. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish such as salmon combat inflammation and counteract the effects of processed oils high in omega-6 fatty acids. These harmful oils, commonly found in fast food, contribute to inflammation and accelerate skin aging. Egg yolks, rich in vitamin A and choline, help support liver function and cellular health. Additionally, healthy cholesterol from foods like butter and eggs is essential for producing hormones that maintain skin elasticity and hydration. Hydration and skin elasticity. Proper hydration plays a significant role in maintaining youthful skin. Dehydration can lead to dry, flaky skin and a lack of elasticity. While drinking water is essential, incorporating hydrating foods such as cucumbers, watermelon, and celery can further support skin moisture. Bone broth is another powerful anti-aging elixir. It is rich in collagen, which supports skin structure, reduces wrinkles, and promotes a plump, youthful appearance. Sipping on bone broth or taking collagen supplements can greatly enhance skin health. Sleep and stress management. Quality sleep is a natural anti-aging remedy. During deep sleep, the body repairs and regenerates skin cells, balances hormones, and reduces stress. Poor sleep increases cortisol levels, a stress hormone that accelerates aging by breaking down collagen and causing inflammation. Stress management is equally vital. Chronic stress triggers oxidative damage, leading to premature aging. Meditation, deep breathing exercises, and spending time in nature can help reduce stress and promote longevity. The key to lasting youthfulness. Achieving and maintaining a youthful appearance requires consistent effort. By avoiding processed foods, adopting fasting practices, getting adequate sun exposure, detoxifying the liver, consuming nutrient-dense foods, staying hydrated, and prioritizing sleep, you can slow down aging and restore a youthful glow. If you found this information helpful, please like and share. Knowledge is power to help others benefit as well. Your support matters. Be sure to explore the following videos for even more life-changing insights and wisdom that can make a real difference.